We are pleased to show you the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power liftgate, lane departure warning, backup camera, remote engine start, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.